Alright guys, let's talk about how to adjust a glaze from an original recipe to try and get different attributes such as making it glossier, more matte, or melting at a higher temperature. So you can go to create and you can create a glaze, and then once you save it, it'll end up in my studio. And so here I am in my studio, and I'll go click on my glaze here, Chun, that I've entered and saved, and I can go to the calculator, and then I can go here to copy, make a copy. So here I can see my stole chart, and this is going to tell me the different regions. The glossy region is in here, the semi-matte is here, and then matte is here. This gray area is crazed, and then I believe this is unfused and immature. The further down on the stole chart it is, the higher the temperature that it melts at. So I've created a copy of my Chun, and so my original recipe is going to be a dot there. Both of the recipes are the same currently, so they're going to line up in the same spot on the chart. What we see here is how the unity molecular formula, which is how the stole chart is referencing, what it's referencing, and we have our silica on one axis and our alumina on the other axis. If we look here, this shows us the sum of the different types of ingredients or oxides that are in our glaze. The O2 group, or rather the RO group, is the fluxes. The O3 group is the alumina, and the O2 group is the silica. So we saw in one of our previous presentations our element oxides in the different groups. Here's all the ones, the RO groups that can be fluxes, O3 that are alumina, mostly just aluminum oxide, and then your glass former, your silica, which is mostly going to be silicon oxide. So say we want to make this more matte, we want to make that dot go over there. You're going to find most of your alumina in your clay, your ball clay, though it does have a little bit of silica in it. So say we want to increase that to 15 and see what happens. So it melts at a slightly higher temperature. It's moved a teeny bit toward the matte range. So maybe we want to now bring down the silica and see if that helps. And there we go. Now we're still in a good range for our glaze, but it is going to be slightly more matte. So you can keep playing with that, but now we can go ahead and try this new formula, test it, and see what results we get compared to the original.